Dogs, dogs, and more dogs. They are the best, aren't they? Dogs are not only the best, but being a pet owner can help you live longer. Owning a dog has been associated with reduced cardiovascular risk factors and improved the mental well-being. Even though it's not an easy task to eliminate other factors that might influence these benefits, such as age, physical activity, sex, and education, pet owners are more likely to be active and feel less lonely than no-dog owners. But if you can't have a dog, simply petting one can help decrease your blood pressure. Have you hugged a dog today? Thanks for watching!